Looking for the perfect cordless vacuum to make home cleaning a breeze? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best cordless vacuums for home cleaning. From powerful suction to lightweight designs, these picks are packed with features you'll love. Stay tuned and discover which one fits your home best. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Lubluelu L7 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for powerful cleaning in a lightweight design? The Lubluelu L7 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner might just be the perfect choice. Weighing under 3 kilograms, it's easy to maneuver around the house. Plus, with 30 kilopascal suction power, it easily lifts dirt from carpets and hard floors alike. This vacuum features an advanced anti-tangling brushless motor, keeping maintenance simple and efficient. Thanks to its sleek LCD touchscreen, switching between 3 to 4 operating modes is incredibly easy. Also, the L7 includes 4 to 5 versatile nozzles, perfect for cleaning tight spaces and upholstery. Its 2,200 mAh Li-ion battery offers strong, wireless performance, while the 0.6-1L dust box and HEPA filter ensure cleaner air. Best of all, it's bagless, making emptying a breeze. Whether it's quick daily cleaning or deep home maintenance, the Lubluelu L7 is built to impress. Number 4. Belife S11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Belife S11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner redefines effortless cleaning. With powerful 35 kilopascal suction, it easily tackles dust, debris, and pet hair on any surface. Thanks to its advanced Li-ion battery, users enjoy up to 50 minutes of continuous runtime, perfect for larger homes. The Belife S11 features an anti-hair tangle design, reducing the need for constant maintenance. Its lightweight rod-type body ensures easy handling, making cleaning less of a chore. Plus, the multifunctional combined brush adapts quickly to carpets, hardwood, and tiles. The 0.6L dust box and HEPA filtration system provide a cleaner, healthier home environment. The powerful 250-watt motor delivers strong performance, while the cordless design allows total freedom of movement. The Belife S11 stands out for its combination of power, convenience, and smart features, the ideal choice for modern home cleaning. Number 3. ABIR VC205 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR VC205 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate solution for deep cleaning. With a powerful 27,000 PA suction, this vacuum tackles dirt, dust, and debris with ease, ensuring your home is spotless. Thanks to its advanced cyclonic technology and E13 grade HEPA filter, it captures even the finest particles, leaving your air cleaner. The ABIR VC205 features a large touchscreen for easy control and monitoring. The smart dust sensor detects dirt, turning the red ring light on when dust is present, and a blue light when cleared. Auto-speed control adjusts power based on cleaning needs, making it efficient and energy-saving. Versatile and practical, the vacuum comes with 4 brush heads, including a mite removal brush, LED floor brush, and a 2-in-1 soft brush. With a 40-minute battery life and wireless operation, it's perfect for quick, effective cleaning. This sleek, bagless vacuum offers a complete cleaning experience for your home, bed, and carpet. Number 2. Ultenic AC1 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Ultenic AC1 Elite Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect all-in-one cleaning solution for your home. With its unique 3-in-1 functionality, it not only vacuums but also mops and self-cleans, making it incredibly versatile. It's designed to tackle various cleaning needs with ease. Whether it's hard floors or carpets, this vacuum delivers powerful suction with 3 modes: Intelligent, Max, and Vac. The Max mode offers maximum suction power for deep cleaning, while the Intelligent mode automatically adjusts the suction based on the surface. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, the AC1 Elite ensures you can clean large areas without interruption. Another standout feature is the dual water tank separation, which keeps clean and dirty water separate for efficient mopping. The self-propelled function makes it effortless to maneuver. Plus, the one-button self-cleaning feature saves time and ensures your vacuum stays in top condition. With intelligent voice prompts, this vacuum offers convenience and ease of use. Perfect for busy homes, it's a must-have for anyone looking for a quick and effective cleaning solution. Number 1. Tineco A11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Tineco A11 Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool, perfect for homes with carpets and hard floors. With a 0.6-1L dust box capacity and a HEPA filter, it ensures efficient dust and allergen removal. The brushless motor provides strong suction, picking up dirt effortlessly, while the multifunctional combined brush adapts to various surfaces. One of its standout features is the 40-minute runtime, ensuring that you can clean large areas without interruption. The vacuum's lightweight design makes it easy to use, whether in handheld or vertical mode. The removable battery adds convenience for long-term use, while the cleaning route operates randomly, reaching every corner. Equipped with a duct blocking alert and a deburring function, the Tineco A11 offers smooth, hassle-free operation. It's an ideal choice for pet owners and anyone seeking a durable, efficient cordless vacuum.